Most businesses come to us as business lawyers thinking that we're just business lawyers because they're dealing with a crisis and they want to figure out the best way to manage that crisis. For example, they're sued, or they have an employee that went rogue, or they have some issue that they're dealing with that is causing a major disruption in their business. And so they're usually looking for us to deal with some regulatory or enforcement issue, whether it's contract related, statutory related, or related to some infringement on some right that they have. It's a crisis that they believe is going to harm their business tremendously. Yes, of course, dealing with that crisis is important. And so the first thing that we'll have to do is do triage on that issue and help to manage that crisis effectively. We found that in dealing with that crisis and helping manage that crisis, we uncovered that there may have been poor conflict resolution skills with the business owners and workers. And so oftentimes we have to get into the habit of helping the business owner and their team learn and develop more conflict resolution skills. Conflict resolution skills are helpful because they help to offset and proactively deal with conflicts before they become crises. And so having not only business lawyers but business mediators available to the business is pretty important. And then when we go through this process of helping them deal with a crisis, we usually uncover some flaw in their business model that they need to analyze and work on to improve their business. So that leads us from crisis management to collaboration. When we collaborate with the business owner and their workers, we're usually talking to them about their business model, starting with their customer segment, analyzing their customer segment, looking at their value proposition, trying to see if we can help them to improve their value proposition, looking at their customer relationships and how to improve that, and looking at the key activities and resources that they need, the cost and the revenue stream that they have. And so when you look at the business consulting issues and the mediation issues and the legal issues, we foster and promote collaboration so that they can actually set reasonable goals and achieve those goals within the timeline that they set those goals for. Now, that involves a lot of training and education for the business and its workers. The training and education for the business owners and their workers helps with their personal growth and development and the business growth and development. And it helps with organizational leadership, which also helps with risk management. When you put all those together, you have a very organized way of looking at the organization, identifying where the organization is at its 1.0, having an idea of what the business 2.0 is, or what you want it to be, and actually have a framework for dealing with addressing the crisis that comes up, collaborating with the people that work within the business, and instituting an organizational relationship program in a way that manages the risk effectively so that you can get from your business's 1.0 to your business 2.0. When you do this, the operational readiness is at a higher level. You're able to build stronger relationships. You're able to be more creative, and innovation is something that's fostered within the organization. And the proactivity and the planning helps you stay away from reactive instances in a business, which creates crisis. To learn more about the Private Corporate Counsel program, visit us on the web at www.privatecorporatecounsel.com or call us at 407-647-7887. Remember, when you think about wanting a business lawyer, think about wanting more than just a business lawyer. Think about Private Corporate Counsel.
Please continue to listen to our podcast to learn more. Contact us at 877-647-7887 or email us at info@ pcc.law to learn more about the Private Corporate Counsel program and how we can help you and your business on your journey to success.